say I have like, here in this building here, I have the Lakshmi mantra playing on the other side of the building to bless the building with prosperity, because the feng shui is not completely perfect. But then here on the other side of the building, I would turn on, the Om Mani Padme Hum or different recordings to bless this whole area, not only to clean my living space, but also to cleanse this, the whole area of the city. But then I would take my MP3 with me. I got a little MP3 player, and then I have my phone also. Sometimes I turn on. But, while I'm driving, though, I'll have the Lakshmi mantra playing. This is my personal thing. Because for me, even though it makes the crown and heart bigger, it makes the basic really big and keeps you rooted. So instead of listening to the radio or listening to music, I'll play the mantras. And sometimes it can be kind of tough to like do. It's like, oh, I'm so used to listening to the radio. Let me just keep, trying to find music to listen to. It's either like I'm listening to the mantras or I'm listening to educational stuff, like motivational, how to improve yourself type stuff. I like to play when I'm driving. But say if I'm traveling to the store, a few cities over, say 10-minute drive by car, when I go to that place, there's going to be like, I'm going to bring that energy with me. So as I sit there, before I go in the store, I might turn on my phone with the Gayatra and then walk in the store, and I got, one in my pocket here and this might be a little excessive, but like one is like to purify the whole area of where we're visiting, but one is to clean the store because like shopping malls and different places, they're full of stress energy. And so, all of these energies are being radiated out for as long as we're in the area. Then when we leave, the area is brighter than before we got there. And that's the whole purpose. And I don't know totally what it's doing, but I know that when you're bringing these energies of, like, say, the Master Choa Kok Sui mantras, his energy is so strong and he was so advanced, and the chakras are so massive that when he like chants these mantras, the energy just blasts out, and it can go like thousands of miles on some of the stuff, like on some of the really, really strong mantras. The energy can go not only, kilometers and hundreds of kilometers, but some of the stuff can go, like thousands of kilometers.